Hi, today we will guide you on setting the sub-item in SQL POS system. First, log on to your SQL POS. Then, go to Settings. Click on the Post Screen tab. Then select Yes for the with sub-item. And click OK to save. With this, you can see sub-item button showing out in SQL POS system. Click on the sub-item button. Go to New. Type in the sub-item code. For example, here iPhone 8 accessories. The name will auto-retrieve by system. Click on the Add Item column. Choose the item. For example, here is iPhone 8 battery. Then maybe iPhone 8 phone case. Then iPhone 8 screen protector. And iPhone can share all the charger and earphone. Add in charger and earphone item. Once done, click OK and save. We can add in the other sub-item by using the same step also. Let's say we continue add in iPhone 8 Plus accessories. The name will auto-retrieve by system. Click on the Add Item column and add in sub-item. iPhone 8 Plus phone case. Then iPhone 8 Plus battery. Then iPhone 8 screen protector. And iPhone can share all the charger and earphone. Lastly, we create iPhone 10 accessories. Add in sub-item. iPhone 10 battery. Then iPhone 10 phone case. Then iPhone 10 screen protector. And iPhone can share all the charger and earphone. After you've done all, close by clicking Exit. We can add in a sub-item into each category. Click on the category iPhone. Click Edit. Under my item iPhone 8, I want to add in my sub-item, iPhone 8 accessories. Same goes to iPhone 10 and iPhone 8 Plus. Once done, click OK and save. Then, click Exit. Then, to see the result, you can go to Post. You can see under the category iPhone, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPhone 8 Plus. Let's click on iPhone 8. There are all sub-items below here. The iPhone 8 battery, the phone case, the screen protector, the charger, and the earphone. Let's say your customer want to buy iPhone 8. And she want to add in a screen protector and a charger. Same goes to iPhone 10. All the sub-item below. And iPhone 8 Plus as well. All the sub-item below. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you.